Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Kinion Classic Cars. And this episode, we are going to show you a 1990 Cadillac Sedan Deville. Now, this car is absolutely beautiful. It has 32,000, yes, just 32,000 original miles on it. Has the 4.5 fuel-injected V8 engine. Of course, automatic transmission. I already have the keys in the trunk, so I might as well just start off by showing you the inside of here. There is the original radio out of this car, an extra belt, and the new radio receiver box that's in the car now. This car was a one family-owned car. All them stickers are everywhere on this car. Say 32,000 original miles on it. Cadillac trunk mat there too. Gray and silver with that red pin. Pretty car. My grandparents had one of these cars, several of these cars back in the day. I think they bought a brand new 1990, and then they bought a brand new 1992, I think. So I pretty familiar with these cars back in the day. I'll tell you what, prior to them going to that North Star engine, this was one of the best engines that they put in these cars, in my opinion. I think they ran great, they drove great, and they're good looking cars too. So, I mean, they're hard to find anymore, especially with these low miles. Be a great road car, great first car for a college student, anything like that. Yeah, I mean, it might be a little bit spendy for a 1990 car to go to college, but I'll tell you what, if you break down with this car, at least you can actually work on it. 32,984 miles. And these seats are like sitting on your living room couch, I think. So they're super comfortable. There she is, fires right up. Cruise control, climate control. Put it on auto. Put it on high-speed fan. Charger if it's wipers work, horn works, left turn, right headlight indicator, four-way flashers, radio. Feels like the air is cool. It's kind of hard to tell if it's cold in here or not. Power window, power window, power window, and power window. Let's see, power locks. Power locks works. Power seat. Forward, backwards. Tilt back, tilt up, tilt more, tilt this way, adjust up, adjust, yeah, that all works. Six-way power seat, eight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ways power seats. Wow. Really adjustable. Probably what makes these cars so comfy. The paint and body on this car are absolutely gorgeous. License plate lights work, tail lights, flashers, signals. I honestly don't know if I see too much tiny little scuff right here. There's kind of a scuff right there. Looks like that'll buff right off. Haven't even run a buffer on this car. There's one small little chip right there. Outside of that, maybe a few little things I'm not seeing, but man, what a nice car. Underneath the hood, very, very nice. Take you for a little cruise in this car quick. This car is very, very clean underneath as well. I can show you real fast. There's the bottom of the floor pans on it, so you can see how nice and clean it is. Not power wash, not clean, not nothing. So that's the way you get her. I know one thing. I'm gonna turn this heater on a little bit. You know, it's not exactly warm today, so turn them flashers off. We won't need them headlights anymore. Here we go.
I also get A+ and all their blockbuster hits. All this for just $28 a month when you sign up at philo.tv. Give it a try. Risk-free. philo.tv.
I'm Mary Newbauer with the Iowa Lottery. March is National Problem Gambling Awareness Month. We highlight and remind Iowans that help is always available 24/7 here in our state. With the Iowa Department of Health and Human Services, visit yourlifeline.org to learn more about
Goes right down the highway. Cruise control is on. The cruise control works. There's my feet. Got her set at 65. Better slow down. That guy's not going 65. Wow, what a great car. Man, I love these cars. I apologize, that sun's kind of got a little bit of a reflection, but you know what? I'm not going to complain about the sun because everyone to an extent is solar powered, and when that sun is out, people seem to be buying cars in a better mood and all around better people. So Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450, www.kinionauto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars and muscle cars every day. And yes, this 1990 Cadillac with 32,000 miles is a classic car. These things too, I mean, they're not slouches either. They got some power. They'll get right with the program. Not slow. There we go, 75 mile an hour. Better slow down before that cop gets us. Give us a call again, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I hope you have a great afternoon. I'll be back at you here real shortly with another great quality car.